Hi and welcome back to the Brewers Training Centre, and I'm here again today with Chris, and we're going to be showing you another great Brewers product. It's Trade Contract Matt Emulsion. So Chris, what have we got here then?
Well, Jamie, if there's one product that you're going to want on the van, this is it. It's a high quality, versatile product that can be used in so many decorating applications.
Great, fantastic. And so let's have a look then. It comes in white and magnolia, that's very handy, and also a decent 10-litre sized tub, which is good. It means you won't be going back to the branch every 5 minutes to restock. It's great on walls and ceilings and also interior brick and blockwork, and it's perfect on fresh plaster and wallboards.
Yep, it's a great product, Jamie. It's touch dry in 1 to 2 hours, recoatable in 3 to 4, low odour, so no headaches at the end of the day, and super easy to apply and great opacity.
Oh, you better show us then.
Okay.
You get about 130 square metres out of one of these tubs, and because it's water-based, you can clean up quite simply using warm soapy water. For further information on these and other Brewers products, just drop into your local store. See you soon.